How to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working. So if you want to fix the Microsoft Authenticator app not working on your device, then what you need to do is first you need to check your internet connection. Once you've checked your internet connection, next you need to simply open up your Play Store or your App Store. And after that, you need to go with the search and search for Microsoft Authenticator. Once you've searched, now here you will have your Microsoft Authenticator application, right? So if you have any updates under the application, you can simply go with the update and update your application. But if you don't have any updates, then you can simply go back. And the next thing you need to do is open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you need to scroll down and go with the apps section. Once you're under the apps, now you need to go with see all apps and go with search, which will be on the upper right. And once you have the application, you can simply go with the storage and cache option. Once you're under the storage and cache, you will have clear cache and clear storage. So what you need to do is simply go and clear your cache and also the storage. Once you've done that, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you need to go back and you just need to simply uninstall the application. Once you've uninstalled, your problem might be fixed. You can simply go with the application, tap and hold on to it. Here you will have the delete option. Go with uninstall. Once you've uninstalled, you can again install it from your App Store or your Play Store, and once you're done that, your problem will be fixed. And after that, if that still doesn't fix your problem, you need to restart. So simply press and hold on to your mobile or the power button, and here you will have restart option. Simply go with restart, and after that you can simply go and log in, and that's it. That's how you can fix your Microsoft Authenticator app not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.